Pulling up to the battlegrounds.
Are you ready for it?
Oh yeah. Let's get to it. I might have got the amp wrong.
Yeah, we're on a bit YouTube video in this. Anyway, yeah, I'm a professional. What should I say? That's just like your work boxes. Extra arms.
We will get better, guys.
That's when you know you're alright.
We're on the outside. Around the outside.
His back, mine's worse. I do it as good as you. I was just giving you some. Why did I call it thing?
Rust in the rain!